si Bato.
Nananawagan po kami sa lahat po ng ating nakikinig ngayon. I'm in the Senate with the other senators. We're having a caucus. Nabalitaan po namin na allegedly may mga taga-NBI na gustong pumasok. Nakita na nagbabarena ng pinto galing ng walls galing dun sa GSIS side. So we have our security here. Papasalamat kami sa PNP, outside and inside meron. Nandito ang Marines, but ito po ang emergency. Nagkaputukan na po. May report ako from the Sergeant at Arms. So the NBI is denying na tao nila, pero nagkaputukan na. So we don't know what's happening. Everyone's locked in their rooms now. We cannot go out. We cannot secure our other staff. Senator Bato, Senator are together. Walang sumasagot from the government, from us. This is the Senate of the Philippines. This is the Senate of the Philippines. May putukan na po dito. So sa lahat ng nakikinig, please, DND, DILG, what is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening, but I do not know if